Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about Isabella'S Clearly. So I have made I think 2 videos in the past about different products from Isabella'S Clearly. They have really a huge collection of just like different products for skincare or natural remedies. So this time I wanted to focus more on the skincare side of Isabella'S Clearly, which I haven't really talked too much about, but I wanted to give you a more like in-depth explanation of the products that I have tried and loved. So yeah, let's get started. Clay has to be the most luxurious face mask I've ever tried, like period. It feels so rich and so gentle at the same time that it just really blew my mind. Honestly, the first time I tried it, I was like, oh, okay, it's another clay mask. But once I started like mixing it with the water, because this comes in powder form, I was just like, wait, what is this? It just feels like you're applying like a jelly-ish kind of clay. I don't know, it's very hard to explain, but it feels incredibly good. It's cooling, but at the same time it helps draw impurities like out of your skin, and my face just looks really good. Like I just did it this morning, and I mean, you can tell that it just drew everything out, and now it feels like clean and just glows. This one has only one ingredient, and it's 100% premium French clay. If you look at the size, it is huge, and I love that it comes in powder forms. And what you need to do to use it is mix 1 part clay to 2 parts water. Then you leave it on for 8 to 12 minutes before it dries completely on your skin. You rinse it off, and then you move on with the rest of your skincare. Clearly Lift is an anti-aging face serum, and I feel this is also one of my secret weapons. It reduces wrinkles and rejuvenates the skin when I don't feel like putting makeup on. This one, if you can see the color, is a little bit of an orange, but once you apply it, it gives your face a little bit of color, and at the same time it's helping moisturize your face. It is very lightweight, and I just like the way that it doesn't feel like it congests my skin, or it feels like heavy on my skin. I use it morning and night, but I particularly like to use it when I'm not wearing any makeup for that like natural look. Vitamin C is one of the only few moisturizers that I ever apply to my face. And it is super lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on your face, and it doesn't feel like it just like sticks at the surface. It just feels like your skin is clean, and also it feels super soft, and it also helps with my makeup to look more even. It's made with aloe leaf juice, rosehip seed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E. It has raspberry and blueberry fruit extract. If you have been looking for a lightweight moisturizer, this could be a great choice for you. Isabella'S Clearly Eyes is a gentle eye serum, and it helps reduce puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. I do love that it's a serum instead of like a lotion or a gel, because I feel like it really helps to keep that area moisturized constantly instead of just absorbing it. I feel like it helps with my fine lines especially, and it's made with super simple ingredients. Again, this one has cucumber, vitamin E, and avocado oils. You can use it every day, morning and night. You just have to wait for it to fully absorb before you continue with like your skincare or your makeup routine, whatever you are doing. Okay, so Clearly Fresh. This has to be the product that I'm the most excited about to share with you, because it has really changed my life. This one is a 100% natural mineral roll-on deodorant. It has geranium sage essential oils for that clean scent, but it's made without alcohol and without aluminum, which is something that of course like it's always on top of my list. But it's also made without baking soda. It has magnesium, witch hazel, aloe vera, and a bunch of different like essential oils. I can say now for sure this is gonna be my go-to forever. The only thing that I would say is you have to apply it generously, But other than that, it's perfect. It doesn't stain your clothes, it doesn't irritate, it doesn't feel like it dries your armpits or anything. So it is just the perfect deodorant. One thing that I like about Isabella'S Clearly, aside from like making such great products, is the price. They're really so affordable. I think it's sometimes what people struggle with is the price of natural skincare, but these products, I'm seriously amazed that they're not more famous because they really have the qualities there. So I think that is all for now. I hope you like this little explanation of these products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and comment if you have tried Isabella'S Clearly. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.